Alright, I've got the servos screwed in like this, as you can see. And if we pop the wheels on here, you know what's kind of cool is, I just want to give you guys the thought about doing this. You could actually put the ball on this side, on the other side, if you wanted to. And, you know, with some standoffs, have put a circuit board here and put a battery pack there. I think that would actually be pretty cool. I kind of wish I had done that. But that's okay. We're going to go this direction, which I still think is pretty nice, right? Looks good. And now we need to have a place to mount our circuit board. I'm going to be using this Teensy base board. I love Teensies, and I designed the board, so it makes sense that I would want to use it. Let's mark those holes like that. And I'd like to have this wiring not have to wrap around the body like that. I think it'd be nice to put maybe a little electrical hole, something in the middle here, so that I can run wiring through it and whatnot. Okay, let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and drill those holes, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got the holes drilled, and let's take a look. Should just be able to put that right on there. And once again, I guess it's sort of silly to have you watch me do this. In fact, I'll pause it and be back in a split second. Okay, I've got it all screwed in, and we put our wheels on like this. And we can run that wiring up through here. And let's make it look kind of cool. We'll do a little wiring twist. So it doesn't get too carried away. Like so. Whoops, make sure the white goes toward the center. Oh heavens. That was one more work than it was supposed to be. The same thing here. Okay. And we are ready to make it go. So I will put a little program on it, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, I'm back. You'll notice I've something moved while I was away there briefly. I put it all together, as you saw, and I had centered the motherboard, and then I totally forgot, even though I built one of these before, that the power supply is too long in that direction and it pushes into the wheel. So while that magic happened, I did in fact move the board over to one side, so there's plenty of room for the power supply. But let's take a look. I've got some code just set right here, real fast. I've got my servo library. I've created a left servo and a right servo. I've attached those servos to pin 0 and pin 1, the very first two pins up here. And then I'm just going to make it do something silly and make it go forward. There's a 1 millisecond and 2 millisecond delay, so that's going to cause it to move forward for half a second. It's going to flip. It's going to go in reverse for half a second. And it's going to turn to the right and then turn to the left and then stop. So hopefully it works and we'll be done. Let's see. We'll load it up. And oh, that was exciting. There you go. It works. So let's end this one, and maybe we'll put a sensor on it, and then we'll start building another economy bot. I'll see you soon.